Good work, Charlie.
Hotter bad bitches in the city. All the girls, they are so pretty.
Okay, hello everyone, I am back, and today I want to discuss something I feel like people don't talk enough about, and it is recognizing and realizing and figuring out what is the way that you absorb information the most. And every single person is different. Personally, for me, I absorb information through the actual feeling state. Every single person's is very different. They actually kind of teach this in elementary school. You know, some people are more visual learners, some people are more hands-on, other people, they're more listeners. And I think this is very important when it comes to manifesting. You need to figure out what method for you feel the least resistance towards. Personally, for me, I gravitate towards the actual feeling state, and I feel like Shelly on YouTube, she is an incredible coach that really harnesses in on the feeling state and feeling the end state and bringing up that emotion. Me, that is what mine is. I will literally lay in my bed, you know, turn music on, close my eyes, and literally just bask in what my desired outcome is, and do that for an hour. And I always come out super emotional, like actually feeling like I have that. And you know, for other people it's not gonna be that. Some people are more scripting, and I would say that is more of a visual thing, like actually writing that down. I gravitate towards scripting too, but it is not my favorite. Other people, they may gravitate towards affirmations. I would say that is more of a listening in thing, like doing your affirmations. You're basically just telling yourself that over and over as if your friend's telling you kind of a story. Affirmations for me are probably the least favorite of mine. I still do affirmations, but only when I have to redirect a negative thought of mine, and I will definitely do a rampage, and it does definitely help. Or when I am in that hypnosis state of living life, like driving a car, walking around the mall, taking a shower, like those things I will do affirmations for over and over. And I feel like when you are in that hypnosis state of mind, that is the best time to be like telling your subconscious all of these things, because it's literally the one that is kind of doing everything for you. Just like when you're in the car, you don't even know like how you're getting somewhere, it's just happening, because that's because your subconscious is the one that's running you at that very moment. It's really crazy. So I would really recommend for you to try a lot of different things. If you don't know what resonates for you the most, you need to try each one of them and see which one you feel the less resistant to, and which one allows you to feel that end state fully. And you're going to know. It's like picking, you know, white sauce to red sauce. Whichever thing feels the best to you is going to be your thing. Not saying you can't, you know, do the other things, but I would really just harness in on whatever feels the best for you. So like I said, there are many different forms of techniques that you can do. Scripting, affirmations, creating those like 5-second clips, visualizations, and then just the feeling state of actually basking in the feeling. And each one is very different. An example that I like to do is create the feeling of love within my body, not necessarily towards a certain person, but I will just feel and really just allow myself to feel the energy of what love feels like, and just bask in that. And when you create those little 5-second clips within your imagination and incorporate that feeling state. With affirmations, you're still able to paint that picture. Your mind will literally paint a picture for you, but the most important thing is you need to go to the very end of whatever you are trying to accomplish or manifest. What is it that you truly want? Do you want to be married? Visualize yourself with the ring. Affirm you are already married. Script you are already married. You need to get to the end state. And that is the most important. Don't visualize the proposal. No, you want to visualize that ring on your finger. You want to script you are married. So that is just my little tip and trick today. I will be back tomorrow.